we are breaking up the boring today with my first Pilates vibration plate workout. So grab your vibration plate. This guy shakes us up and makes our muscles contract even when we're not working out, but we're gonna use it to amplify, intensify our Pilates game today. This is gonna be a head to toe workout. I'm gonna place this machine on its lower setting because this is my first time doing it, and let's see what happens. Grab your vibration plate and your mat, and let's break a sweat. Okay guys, first things first, let's turn the vibration plate on. Like I said, I'm gonna start it on the lower setting because I've never done this before. I've never worked out on it, I've only stood on it. So we're experiencing this together. If you're new here, I don't use music and I cue the whole time so you can really get into your body and know what you should be feeling. So let's kick it off. I'm hitting play. We're gonna start with the hands on the plate, under the shoulders, knees back under the hips, and you're gonna roll your hands up and down. You can come all the way off, kind of like you're jumping with your hands. And this is stretching out our fingers. Let's do two more. Last one, plant those hands. Let's take it into a cat-cow. Big breath in, back bend. Deep breath out and contract your core. Spread your shoulder blades. Inhale, lengthen the core. Exhale, round that back out. One more here. Big breath in and a deep breath out. Awesome. Flatten out that spine, but lift your navel up. We're going to try a bird dog here. This is feeling kind of wild, huh? So you're going to extend your right arm overhead, kick your right shin down, and reach your left leg back behind you. Okay, so we're challenging this core stability here because we've got the vibration plate shaking us up, and you're just trying to keep your center lifted. Let's switch sides. Right hand down, left arm's reaching overhead, as the left shin grounds down. So you want to think of those left toenails pushing into the floor, and that's going to help you lift up through those deep transverse abs. Good, let's take it one more each way. So right arm, left leg, lift from your center, and swap it out. Left arm, right leg, pull that core in and up. Good, bring your shins down. We're going to take a wrist stretch here. So you're going to turn your fingers to you, palms on the board, and spread your fingers apart, getting that inside of the wrist to open up. What's so great about this is the lymphatic drainage we're getting at the same time. So I'm super excited about that. Two birds, one stone. That's a little gruesome, I just realized that. Roll it up, we're coming into a plank. So hands on the board, step your toes back and lift up through your core. You can always modify right here on your knees. Okay, so lift through that midline, and we're gonna try to balance here as well. So I want you to think of doing a single arm row. You're gonna row your right elbow up, draw your shoulder blade to the spine, plant the hand. Row the left elbow up, draw the shoulder blade to the spine, and plant the hand. So we're engaging through that upper back. Tuck your hips under and pull your heart forward. Good, so we're gonna be in a one straight long line in the spine rather than like a downward dog. You guys are doing awesome. Think of this side that you're rowing on. Open up through the front of the chest there. Looking good. Let's hit two more. Nice. Last one. Okay, hold that high plank. You're going to give me little reverse ab crunches. So tuck your hips under, release. Curl the tailbone between your inner thighs. Pull your belly button to your lower back. Good. Give me 10 and 9. We're 8 and 7, last 6 and 5, for 4 and 3, that's it for 2 and 1. Okay, walk your feet to the board, find a forward bend, stretch those hamstrings out. We're gonna swap it up here. So you're gonna place your right foot on the plate and step those left toes back in space. We're in an elevated lunge. Inhale, take it down and stay down. You're gonna pulse it right here. I want you to try to keep a lot of your body weight in that front foot. Have fun. It's gonna burn, but it's short-lived. Good, drop it low. So toes, knees, hips should all point straight on, whatever direction you're looking at. Woo, bringing that heat up a notch, right? So the importance of breathing during your workout as things get harder. Make sure you're not holding your breath. That is what fuels your muscles. The breath is nutrients, it's oxygen. Well, we know it's oxygen for the muscles. Last one right here, and let's switch sides. So you're gonna put your left foot on the board, right in the center, Right toes tuck behind you and square your hips. Drop it low. A little bit lower. I see you. Okay, now let's pulse it out. So favor that front leg now. Squeeze through that glute. Nice. Getting those thighs and glutes to fire up. This is kind of wild. I like the board. It's a little different. Awesome, awesome. Oh, feeling that burn, guys. We're gonna take it to a push-up pulse after this, so we'll give the legs just a little break. Give me 8 more right here. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Drive it up. Okay, hands are gonna go on the board. I'm gonna do this in a modified plank. Feel free to do this in a full plank. You're gonna take it down into a push-up and you're gonna hold the push-up. We're nice and low, chest is close to the board, and you're gonna pulse. So dip it down, press it up. So they're like baby push-ups. Try to keep it low. If you're really working on your push-up game and this is impossible, do it from the top. Okay, nice and low for me, abs in and up. You got it. Woo, give me 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. We're gonna just take a hold in 4, 3, 2, 1. Just hold right here, you got it. It feels like we're moving, but we're not. Last 4, 3, 2, 1. Press it up. Okay, we're gonna sit on the board, getting into the core a bit. So turn it around, take it into your teaser. Oop. I might have turned her off. Okay, so take a seat into your teaser. Bring your legs up into tabletop. This feels wild. Okay, we're gonna twist it out. So you can interlace your fingers or do prayer hands. Now anchor your legs together. This is making it a lot harder on our core stability, but we like it. So as you twist your upper body, try not to let your lower body come with you. Don't let it rock. It's gonna look like it's rocking, but it's not turning, right? So your legs stay in the center, and what's twisting is your torso. Good, pull that lower belly in. Breathe out, breathe in. Give me big rotations. We've got lots of lymph nodes in our belly. So by doing this kind of like wringing out sensation in the core, we're getting that lymphatic system moving in a lot of ways, right? We got the board, we've got our movements, some lymphatic exercises. Woo! Okay, if you want to advance this, you could straighten the legs. Awesome, let's go for 4 and 3, for 2 and 1. Okay, you're gonna plant your hands on the board, slide your hips off, ankles are under the knees. Exhale, drive your hips up, squeeze your glutes. Inhale, dip it down. We're in our reversed plank. Be careful of letting your chest round, right? Open your chest up. If you're a hyperextender, watch your elbows. Okay, if we want to advance, you're gonna lift your right leg to tabletop, drop it down, left leg to tabletop. The foot that's on the floor, you're driving the foot through the earth to lift your hips up. You should feel your butt and the back of the leg fire. You guys got it. Let's go for 5 and 4, for 3 and 2. Last one for 1. Okay, let's spin it around, hitting our glute bridges, you guys. So you're gonna put your feet on the plate. We're keeping it moving today. Neutral spine, so you've got the natural curve. Lift your hips, squeeze your butt, and lower down. Lift, squeeze, and lower. Feel into the whole bottom of your foot, pressing into that vibration plate. This is quite an experience. Let's hold those hips up. You're just gonna pulse for me. Squeeze the glutes, little lifts. Are you guys having fun? I've never done anything like this. Good, give me 4 more for 4 and 3, for 2. Stay up on 1, bring your right leg to tabletop and pulse it at the top for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, don't drop, 4, 3, I'm watching you, 2, 1, switch it out, right foot down, left foot up, we pulse it for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Both feet down. Give me those little pulses to finish these glute bridges for the day. We're here for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Rest your hips, imprint your back, push it into the ground, hands behind your head. Come up into an ab curl. Now your feet are heavy. They're on the rebounder or the vibration plate, and we're gonna do little ab crunches here. So option to have your hands behind your head, option to reach them forward. Pull that belly in. Think of your chest going up and over your ribs. Press down into the whole sole of the foot. So you feel the ball of the big toe, your heel, and the outer arches of the feet. We're gonna add that march in here. So you're gonna curl right leg tabletop, left leg tabletop. So as you crunch up, you're pulling one knee to your chest, and I want you to think of lifting your pelvic floor and belly button up. Looking good. Make sure that one foot is planted really firmly down so we can keep getting the benefits of the vibration plate. Looking good. Let's go for 5 more. 5. Abs in. 4. Keep it going. 3, 2. We're gonna take an ab hold on 1. Feet down. You're just gonna hold your chest up. Use that core strength to sustain the lift. Ground down through your feet. Hold right here and pull those abs in super deep. We have 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Rest it down. Good work, you guys. We are going to stand it on up and try a single leg deadlift. Now you need some space in front and behind you, so just make sure your machine is set up for you to do that. So I'm gonna put my left foot, this requires some serious balance. If you don't feel safe doing this, then you can skip this one. Okay, definitely advance. Left foot on, right foot is up and flexed. You're gonna hinge forward. Imagine there's a weight on the back of your right leg and lift it up. And then slowly return yourself to standing. So this is challenging those single leg deadlifts like crazy. Good. Remember that it's not a split stretch. This is a strengthening move for the back of the legs. So the idea is that your goal is not to touch the floor. Your goal is to get your hips to square, that back leg to spiral in rather than out, and to come to a position where your torso, your hips, and your back leg all line up when you're at the bottom, when you're in the deadlift. Big breath in. Awesome. Okay, we're gonna try to hold the next one for our challenge, for our balance today. The vibration plate is definitely challenging us. We're holding that deadlift and pulse the back leg up, squeeze the glute. Give me 8 more. Abs in 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bring it up. Okay, both feet are down. Ground down through the sole of your right foot. We're gonna take that on the other leg. This is great to strengthen your feet as well. So I urge you to do this barefoot. Inhale, hinge. I'm moving into the plant. And exhale, slow to lift. So think of the leg that's lifted. Bring that hip bone forward. Good, firm through the back of your left thigh. And with your sternum, think of it going forward rather than down. So as you're going down, obviously we're going down, don't look directly at the floor. Look a little bit out in front of you. And that's gonna help lengthen your torso. And for your hands, they can be like airplane arms on your hips. I'm kind of opening them out to the sides to help me balance a bit. Definitely feeling this side is a little bit more challenging for me, but that's good. Don't skip the hard stuff. Okay, we're holding this one, we hope. We're gonna do our best and try. Good, extend the torso and pulse that back leg up. Squeeze the glute. Good, we've got 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Try to return slowly. I know it's hard. Okay, you guys, we're standing on the plate and we're gonna do little calf raises. Whoa. So you're gonna lift your heels up and down. Okay, so you can see that the ball of the foot is staying planted, and I want this to be kind of bouncy. So we're flushing the body out now. We hit everything head to toe, and I want you to start to focus on deep breathing. So put your hands on your belly, let your belly relax, try not to tense up, right? Chill out. We're gonna do some nervous system balancing. We just heated everything up for a solid 15 minutes. So let's take a deep breath into the belly. Think of this like 360-degree expansion. So as you inhale, you're expanding through the entire abdomen, through all of your torso. Breathe into your body, fill it up. And then as you exhale, release it out. So continue to breathe deeply, a couple more rounds, and just pump those calves. Big breath in, and then an audible exhale. Good, release any tension in the jaw or in your cheeks. Let's take one more big breath in. Okay, you guys, we're gonna finish with a supported back bend. So we're gonna lay over our vibration plate. It might feel kind of wild. So your butt is on the floor, and then your upper back's gonna lay over the board. And you're gonna let your head hang and maybe walk it to the ground. Good, just let your arms open up, or possibly they reach overhead. Ooh, it's shaking me a lot. I think we upped the setting. If you would like, you can take a butterfly stretch here to open up those inner thighs. Perfect timing. Well, we did it. Take a big inhale, stretch it long, and then a deep exhale, let it go. I think we deserve one more. Inhale, lengthen, reach through those arms, stretch out those lats, and exhale, release. Amazing. Support your head, use your core, roll it up, bring yourself to a seat. I'm so proud of you. I hope that you enjoyed this vibration plate workout. It was wild. Was that wild for you? That was kind of wild for me. Wow, I really feel my calves. I definitely liked that single leg deadlift. It's like a whole nother challenge trying to balance on this thing. Have an awesome day. If you liked this vibration plate workout, let me know. Maybe I'll make another one. Maybe we could add in some other equipment. I'll have to brainstorm. But my name's Lindsay. This is Pilates on Demand. You just crushed this vibration plate Pilates workout. Definitely challenge our core stability, and I will see you next time. Bye, guys.